Hi, I'm Saul Costa.
And I'm Lauren Wyatt.
So our company is called GradeTrain, and we build tools to help people learn how to code. So whenever you sit down and you want to learn how to code, there are two really big problems that you're presented with, even before you can start trying out what you've learned. And that is having a computer where you can write code, where everything's all set up, and then once you actually have that, being able to understand how your program is breaking and get hints for potential areas that you could fix. So GradeTrain solves both of those problems. What we do is we have a tool where it's online. You can just log in from your web browser and immediately click a button, start writing code, and ready to go. Then as you're writing code and it breaks, we'll give you hints for how to fix it.
And education is in a fantastic transition period right now. We're moving from in-person learning, which is really physical in the classroom, and moving to online learning, which is great, but there's one downside, and that is that online learning doesn't have that hands-on experience that physical learning has. And that's kind of necessary for the same reason I can't just watch the Olympics and suddenly become a professional ice skater. You need that hands-on experience in order to practice what you're doing. So that's what GradeTrain does. We allow content providers with just static content, which is just text and videos. They can add GradeTrain to their website, customize it, and then within minutes their users can get that feedback and that hands-on experience that they were lacking before.
In this process of going out and partnering with other companies who have this static content, these videos, these tutorials that Lauren was mentioning, we just started this about 2 months ago, and very proud we've already had some signed contracts in this space and some really big partnerships with textbook publishers that are going to be developing over the next few months. We feel it's a really great area to be in. We're really adding a lot of value to their content and enabling their users to get this hands-on experience. Another big area that we're helping is in the classroom directly. So if you're a teacher and you're teaching computer science, you're thinking about teaching computer science, but you've never done it before, you really don't know where to start, you don't want to have to help your students get everything set up on their computers, then GradeTrain can help you because you can just use our tools, which are in the browser, not have to do that setup process, and then even as you're going through, we'll help you with an automated grading system and really help you jumpstart your classroom. Lauren and I are graduates from Norwich University, which is a private military school over in Vermont. We both studied computer science, and while we were in college, we spent a lot of time helping other students learn computer programming. And while we were doing this, we realized that there were a lot of processes and problem areas that they were having issues with. So GradeTrain really is our attempt to solve those problems for students, for teachers, and we've been part of the Plug and Play program for the past few months down here in Silicon Valley. Very excited to be here. GradeTrain is also going to be joining another accelerator program in several weeks, which is Imagine K-12. It's also in Silicon Valley.
So September 10th, Saul's going to be pitching at Demo Day, and I'm going to be at our booth. You should come by and visit. We're going to have great flyers, and
we're also going to have a demo of GradeTrain there, so you can just come over and try it out right there, write your first few lines of code at the Plug and Play Expo.